JD Tools here. Today I'm going to show y'all how to make a high-powered fan. This fan here is a fan off of an AC unit, and this is how you get your air through all the air supply ducts and all of your different rooms. So as you can imagine, this moves a ton of air. Here we have a small fan here just to kind of compare, even though there really is no comparison as far as how much airflow this generates. But this is okay for small offices or small areas that already have adequate airflow or AC in them, and you just want a little extra coolness of air. Those work pretty well. But if you are looking for a lot of airflow with a ton of air to move around, this fan right here is really, really good. I've got a 120 male outlet plug here, and I'm going to wire up here. I'm going to show y'all how to do it. Keep in mind, I do not take any responsibility if anything does go wrong and something happens. This is just for demonstration purposes only. I'm going to go ahead and get into a couple of things here. Here's the motor. As you can see, it's a fairly big motor. There's a spindle that goes on the inside here that connects to the squirrel cage. These little fins right here are cuffed, and they have to be going in the way that they are cuffed. So as you can see, they're kind of cuffed and kind of a half moon shape, and you want it to go in this direction right here. And here's the wiring here. I'm going to keep everything as simple as possible so y'all kind of understand how to do it. There's a capacitor which holds capacitance, and that goes to the fan motor there. You got two brown wires that go to that, and let's get started. Okay, so basically you want to start with fresh clean wires. I've got these right here already kind of stripped back for you. You just want to strip back the outer layer of the wires here. Make sure you have enough to work with where you can put your wire caps on. Same thing here. Now I have this already wired up. I took everything off so I can kind of show y'all. But here it goes. The black here on this motor is a high speed. So you just get your wire cap right there. You put it on, put them even. Make sure everything's nice and tight. You'll see the two wires start to twist. That way you know it's tight. Here you have your green, and then your green right here for your ground. I put both of the wires even. Put them on, put them together. I hold both of them. Once it gets started, I let go. Wires will start to twist together. I stop. And now we have our neutral, which is our white. And now it is ready to be plugged in. Okay, so I got everything wired up here. One thing that I did forget to mention here is these brackets right here. You want to make sure that there's screws in these brackets. You want to make sure everything is stable for this motor, because if not, you'll get grinding noise or everything will be off on this motor, and it's just not safe because this does spin very high RPMs. So let's go ahead and plug it in now and see how it works. There it goes. As you can see, it generates a lot of air. Shelves here, just to show you how much air it moves. Yep, it works good. Generates a lot of air. Make sure it's mounted properly because the fan definitely wants to go back once it starts rotating a lot. So, and if you're looking for a good fan, I definitely highly suggest this. Again, if you want, you can go to your local AC company and just tell them that you want a blower fan off of an old unit that they replaced or did a conversion on, and ask them if they'll sell it to you. And you can just pick up a plug right here. You may have to buy a cord or whatever and cut it off and kind of wire it up yourself. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I found out to be this. This is one of by far the most high-powered fans that I've ever seen. JD Tools again here. Like if you like, subscribe if you want to subscribe. And if you don't like, hit the don't like button. Thank you for watching.